it just didn't exactly go as, you know, as we thought it was gonna go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria. If you don't know me, today's video, we're just gonna be doing our nails. It doesn't exactly go as planned, as you can see by the title. I tried to do those powder nails and it just didn't exactly go as it went in my head. So basically I'm just gonna show you guys that because I just feel as though everyone is at home in quarantine and we're supposed to be doing our own hair, doing our own nails, and you know, waxing ourselves. Like, it's just, I'm gonna need the world to open back up because I can't be doing all this on my own. It's frustrating. Everyone's making all these like do-it-yourself at home videos, and I just want to show y'all that it is okay if you don't know how to do that stuff because it's not gonna come out right the first time. We're all trying new things, but as for me, I might have to just stick with press-ons because this just did not work. Like, please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, of course. And of course, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start doing polls and things that are just gonna relate directly back to this channel. So if you guys want to be included in all that, then of course, head on over to Instagram and follow me there. Without further ado, if you want to see me mess up some nails at home because, you know, you woke and you don't believe the hype, then keep watching. We're switching to the voiceover, so as you can see, I'm using the Kiss Salon Dip Color System that I got from Walmart, and then I'm also using 100 tips from Kiss. This is what it looks like when you open the box. You get the nail glue, and then you get a bunch of different size tips. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm just sizing my nails just because I want everything to fit properly. Of course, if it's too big or too small, then your press-ons are not gonna do what you want them to do. They're gonna be falling off, they're gonna look sloppy, so we want it to look nice. So, you know, I'm just sizing them to my nails, and as you can see, I'm putting them in order by size onto the towel. Next, I'm opening up the system, and you guys can see that it comes with directions, so you know, if you're into that, then you can follow the directions. I did follow the directions. It was just, I don't know, I don't really know exactly where this went wrong, but yeah, so I'm just pouring the powder into the little thing where you dip your nails, and I glued my nails on. And now I'm just taking some scissors just because I want them to be a different shape. I wanted them to be like square, so I'm just taking the scissors and I'm cutting off the tips to make them square. They were really easy to cut because it wasn't like it's acrylic or anything. It's literally just a tip, so it was really easy to cut. And I do like how the shape came out. I like square nails on my hand. I don't really know why, but I think it looks really cute, especially for, you know, when it's hot outside. It's a vibe, you know? The next thing that I'm doing is I'm just filing them a little bit, just so that it's not as rough on the edges where I cut them. Now I'm just gonna take this base gel and paint it on to my nail before I dip it as per the directions. And I just dip it and then tap off the excess powder. And then I just repeat that on all my other nails. As you can see, it doesn't really create that thick of a coat, or so I thought. So, you know, like the directions said, I was like, okay, I can go in 2 or 3 times. I think I ended up doing it twice. Yeah, I definitely ended up doing it twice instead of 3 times because I didn't want it to be super, super thick. Now I'm just taking this little sponge that comes with the set and I'm dusting off all of the excess powder. This is where I noticed that my nails looked a mess, y'all. Now I'm just taking the activator from the kit and I'm doing a little top coat as per the directions. At this point, I was kind of like, what is going on? Because these look a mess. Like, they look so bad. I don't know what happened. Like, I feel like this kit should have told me that I needed a drill or something. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just filing away because it just did not look good. And I was like, maybe if I just file the mess out of it, then it'll look better. But it didn't work. So this was a complete fail. I hate it. It looks terrible. Okay, so as you guys can see, that was a complete fail. It just didn't exactly go as, you know, as we thought it was gonna go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna press on these press-ons and we're gonna call it a day because that's it. Like, I'm not trying to do all this extra stuff. I definitely should have had a drill, honestly, for those nails, because I just feel like that requires a drill. Like, I feel like that's something that maybe they should have said. Of course, I don't think that the product is bad. I feel like if you know how to do it, then definitely you can make it work. And now that you've seen this video, hopefully you just know that you need a drill, and that's it. You know what I mean? I got it at Walmart, but if I find it on Amazon, I will link it below for you guys if anyone wants. I'm just gonna stick to the press-ons because I think this is just what's gonna work for me during this at-home lockdown situation. So yeah, we're gonna do these press-ons. All right, so we're back on the voiceover and I'm getting ready to do these press-ons. I'm doing the same thing that I did in the previous nail situation. I'm just sizing the press-ons to each individual nail. Like I said, you want them to be nice and properly sized, because if it's too big or too small, it'll fall off a lot faster than it would if it was your correct size. So I put them in order by fingernail once again, just like I did last time, and I'm basically just gluing them on now. When I glue it, I like to press down really hard because I just really want the glue to stick. I want these press-ons to last. It's not acrylic, it's not gel, it's none of that. So it's not gonna last as long as that. But you know, when you put them on with a little bit more force, they do last a little bit longer. Now I'm just moving on to the other hand. I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on the first hand. And now I'm just filing them just because they had the little tips with the different numbers on them for sizes. So I just wanted to file it just to make sure that everything was nice and square. And this is what it looks like. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, y'all, so that was it. These are my nails. I like them a whole lot better than that mess that it was before, but we fixed it, so it's all good. I hope that they last long. I tried to, like, you know, do it right. I feel like they should stay. I hope that they stay. These nails are like really adorable. They're short, square, simple, you know what I mean? I noticed an immediate difference when I put them on my hands, because this looks a whole lot better than what my nails was looking like before, and they look a whole lot better than my natural nails as well. So I'm glad that I finally have something that I'm working with, because I was tired of looking at my nails. Okay, so these are definitely what I'm gonna be sticking with. Like I said, I got everything from Walmart. I got this precision glue, which was pretty helpful, and then I got, of course, the press-on nails. So if I find them on Amazon, I'm gonna link them for you guys if you want to order them from Amazon. But if not, like I said, you can just go to Walmart and hopefully they will have them. I know it's been kind of hard finding press-ons lately because everyone's buying press-ons right now. I was kind of lucky when I found those. But anyways, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope that it was relatable for some of you guys, because I know that everyone's doing their nails at home right now and not everybody knows how to do all that. So I just hope that someone out there saw this and was like, girl, I feel you. But anyways, please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. What do I want you guys to comment? Comment if you've done your nails at home, if you've done like the powder. I know there's like powder, acrylic, what you've done and like how you felt about it. Comment that. Anyways, so I believe that will be the end of this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.